In a previous video, we looked at how you can budget your time for things like education, and we completed 1 month. In this example, we budgeted 2.5 hours per day for education, which means that we've banked up around 75 hours of education hours for 1 month. Now we can enroll in a program, and apply those hours towards completing the program. Let's start by going to the Life menu, and clicking on Learn. This will show you the total number of education hours that you've earned over your life, the total number of hours that you've applied throughout your life, and the total number of hours that you can apply to a program. Every life in Qual has already earned their high school diploma. Now let's look at some other programs that you can enroll in. If you try to enroll in a program which costs too much, it will let you know. If you enroll in a program that you can afford, it will take the money out of your bank, and congratulate you on the enrollment. Now you can apply some of your banked up hours towards the program that you enrolled in. To do this, enter in the number of hours that you wish to apply in the yellow box, and press the Enter key. This will update your hours applied, and hours left, as well as your total education hours applied, and total education hours available. You can continue to apply hours until you've graduated the program. Graduating from programs will open up opportunities in career planning. If you're a community owner, you can add and edit options for learning by clicking on the Settings button.
Enjoy the journey at QOL.Gold.